After nearly a decade, a British Prime Minister is back in Beijing, and this time, London came looking for results.
Thank you. Welcome to China. Oh, thank you so much.
Keir Starmer's four-day visit to China marked a clear shift in the UK's approach to Beijing, moving away from freeze and friction towards what Starmer calls pragmatic engagement. And while the trip was carefully choreographed, it did deliver some tangible gains for Britain. The biggest headline win? Visa-free travel. Under a new agreement, UK citizens travelling to China for business or tourism will soon be allowed visa-free entry for trips of up to 1 month. While a start date hasn't been announced, the UK government says it wants this in place as soon as possible. For British businesses, this removes a long-standing barrier to operating in one of the world's largest markets. Starmer made it clear that this is about growth. Britain wants its companies back in China, trading, investing and expanding, and easier travel is a key part of that push. The second major takeaway from the pharmaceutical sector. British drug maker AstraZeneca announced a massive $15 billion investment in China over the next 4 years. The investment will fund research and develop hubs across several Chinese cities and mark AstraZeneca's biggest commitment to China so far. For the United Kingdom government, this underlines Britain's strength in life sciences and helps keep UK firms competitive globally. On trade, London and Beijing also agreed to launch a joint feasibility study on services trade, an area where Britain sees major opportunity from finance to professional services. While this stops short of a full trade deal, it signals renewed economic dialogue after years of strained ties. Beyond economics, Starmer used the visit to reopen high-level political engagement. He held extended talks with President Xi Jinping, raising sensitive issues, including the case of Jimmy Lai, the former Hong Kong media tycoon and British citizen convicted in December on national security charges, while also stressing cooperation on global challenges. The two sides also announced a series of cooperation frameworks ranging from organized crime and food safety to education, sports and health, though details remain limited for now. But this outreach has not gone unnoticed in Washington. US President Donald Trump has already warned that deeper UK-China business ties could be very dangerous. A clear reminder of the diplomatic tightrope London is walking as it balances economic opportunity with alliance politics. Experts remain cautious. Analysts say agreements are incremental rather than transformative, and Britain's economic dependence on the United States is unlikely to change anytime soon. Still, for Starmer, the visit achieved its core aim of reopening doors, restarting dialogue, and positioning Britain as a pragmatic player in an increasingly divided world. With Jyoti Shukla, Bureau Report, India Today Global.